43 years ago tomorrow was a day that changed our state and our country forever. The Ohio National Guard opened fire on Kent State students protesting the Vietnam War. 4 demonstrators died, and ever since, the university pauses to remember and to reflect. This year, a very special guest is coming to Kent to help do that, and Kristen is live with a look ahead. All right, give us his name, Kristen.
Oliver Stone. A lot of people know that name. So film director, producer Oliver Stone is coming to Kent and Macy to help commemorate May 4th, 1970. And if you're wondering why, well, he has a personal connection to this time period.
Walk into Taylor Hall on Kent State's campus, and history is chronicled in the May 4th Visitor Center, a place where pictures and videos take you back in time to that tragic day in 1970, when 1,500 university demonstrators gathered in the Commons. The National Guard used tear gas to disperse the crowd, then fired shots at the students, killing 4, injuring others.
It's very emotional. I guess I wasn't really fully prepared for how overwhelmed people would feel experiencing this story.
This year, Oscar-winning director Oliver Stone is helping dedicate the center.
We wanted to bring somebody that we felt was really a kindred spirit.
And Stone served in the U.S. Army in Vietnam. In fact, he received a Bronze Star for valor. The social movements of the 60s and 70s are reflected in some of his films, like in his movie Nixon. And this campus community has found its own way of keeping the past close, so we can learn from the mistakes.
We're telling a kind of untold history because people haven't had the story available to them before.
And if you are wondering how Kent State was able to get Oliver Stone to come to its campus to speak, I asked them that question. They said, "We believe in the principle, always ask." It doesn't hurt to ask. Macy Stone is speaking tomorrow night on campus at Kurt Wright Hall, and it's free and open to the public, but seating is limited.
Ask, and in this case, you shall receive.
Absolutely.
Kristen, events commemorating May 4th have been going on all week, really, on campus, but one of the big events starts tonight, right?
It does. The Candlelight March starting tonight at 10:30. So that march paying tribute to those 4 students who died in the Kent State shooting. After that is the vigil.